Hi there, my name is Sidler. I'm the president of Sidler International, the North American arm of Sidler in Switzerland, and the third generation of the Sidlers who build mirror bathroom cabinets. Today I'm going to show you how to install a Sidler Diamando cabinet. It's 31¼ inches wide and we're going to surface mount it. So this is the wall mount kit. We open the box and just leave it aside. Then we open the box where the medicine cabinet is in it. Take the glass shelves out. Then we take the mirrors out. We have to be a little careful with the mirrors. Then we are going to take out the cabinet. It's all in one piece. Aluminum construction, so it's not too heavy. One of the most important parts to install a Sidler mirror cabinet is the operating instruction. Got it here in the cabinet and we have to go through it step by step. Okay, I'm going to take off all the tape here. In this box here, we have our soft close handle. We have the mounting material. And we also have the magnifying mirror. And the Sidler cosmetic box. Let's take off the styrofoam from the side and lean the cabinet against the wall. Best thing is when we take the styrofoam off is to place one on the bottom. Then we can place the cabinet on the styrofoam and everything is fine. Step 1 in the installation guide is remove the hinges. You can remove the hinges by using one finger. Back at the hinge is a little lever, just push the lever and the hinge comes off. Step 2 is we have to remove the electrical cover, which also means we have to remove the light cover here. Then we remove the fluorescent tubes. You can simply turn the fluorescent tubes and they come out. Here is the electrical cover where we get access to the terminal block, which we need later on to hook up the cabinet to the wall switch in your bathroom to turn the light on and off. Let's remove the cover. Then we see here the terminal block. So to hook up the electricity on the cabinet, we have two possibilities. If the cabinet is going to be recessed, then we're coming in from the side with the wires. If the cabinets get surface mounted, we're coming in from the back. When the cabinets get surface mounted, we have to open up this opening here. Now we're gonna mount the side mirrors before we hang the cabinet. Therefore we need the sheet metal here, where the side mirrors slide on. The clips are facing the wall when we mount it. The side profile has a hole in it where we fasten the sheet metal. So the electrical wires are provided by electrician and we have to mount the mounting bracket on the appropriate height. We have to slide in the wires into the opening. At this point the wires needs to be hooked up. This needs to be done by a certified electrician. So the wires we hooked up now are for the light only. We have the white one for the neutral. Here is the grounding, and we have line 1 for the light. Then needs to be a second wire for the outlet, which needs to be wired permanently to a GFCI, which goes into number 2. Now we put back on the cover. Then we put back in the fluorescent tubes. And the light is working. We also put back the light cover. Afterwards, we're gonna fasten the cabinet with the holes on the bottom. To cover the opening, we have those caps here. At the beginning, we took the hinges out of the cabinet, so now we're gonna put these hinges onto the mirror. Then we put the mirrors back into the cabinet. Then we put the soft close on. So now we're coming to putting in the glass shelves. Before we do that, I'm going to explain to you how we adjust the glass shelves. The shelf adjustment system is patented by Sidler in Switzerland, and to operate it we have to take off the shelf holder, turn this black piece 90 degrees and go up and down, and can adjust it in an increment of 1 inch on the level we want. We have here cosmetic box and the magnifying mirror, and also the handles which go onto the mirror. Your Sidler Diamando is now installed and ready to use. Visit Sidler-International.com to learn more about the best mirror cabinets in the world in a vast array of sizes and styles. Thank you.